Assalamu alaikum. We are students of the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. In our classrooms, we learn to code, to build, to solve problems. But beyond the numbers and machines, there is another side to us. A side that believes in stories, in creativity, in capturing thoughts and voices. That side found its home in the editorial committee and in the pages of the upcoming magazine. This is where our journey begins, inside a small room with big dreams. Every magazine begins with a blank page, but behind every page there is a team, a vision, and countless untold stories.
We wanted to create something that truly belonged to us, something that carried the identity of our department.
But it was never about writing. Every draft, every sketch, every late night discussion was about capturing something deeper, our emotions, our dreams, our voices.
Every effort and every late night came down to this.
The real heartbeat of this journey lies in the people who shaped it. Let's step closer and hear what our members themselves have to say.
My name is Faraz Asim Kidwai and I primarily worked as a writer in editorial committee. I must say it was a great experience. I got to learn a lot about writing various topics. I expanded my horizon by writing for various fields, and our seniors were very supportive from the work that we have done and outside of it as well. So all in all, it was a great experience. I got to learn a lot, made a few friends, and would surely promote it to anyone who will be willing to join as well.
Hi, my name is Ikra Khan and I have been really interested in writing, and ECIU proved to be a perfect platform for me. Here I learned about many things, most importantly teamwork and time management. I had a great experience working with my seniors and juniors. Overall, it was an amazing experience and I hope to contribute more to this committee. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Zawil Huda Qureshi. From writing articles to design their layouts and even promoting ECIU. I have been involved in almost every role and responsibility of the editorial committee in Tigran University. Being a part of this committee has a great journey. मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा है, whether it is managing work with senior and junior together और attending वो देर रात की मीटिंग जिसमें हम लोग बैठ के सब brainstorming करते थे. This experience not only gave me a professional skill but also एक टीमवर्क का जज्बा and confidence जिससे हम सभी चैलेंज को easily face कर सकें. मैं ECIU के साथ अपने सफ़र को हमेशा याद रखूँगा क्योंकि ये सिर्फ एक कमेटी का हिस्सा बनने जैसा नहीं है, ये एक फैमिली बनने जैसा है. शुक्रिया.
Hi guys, I'm Luis Mishra. I've worked as a designer for editorial committee and I've designed many layouts here. And throughout my time here, I have learned a lot of things from my seniors and juniors alike. I have a great time working here and I'm looking forward to do some more.
Hello everyone, my name is Ritika Maran. I have been actively involved in the designing and creative aspects of our magazine and newsletter. From brainstorming ideas, working on layouts to finalizing the overall design. This journey has been both challenging and rewarding. Being a part of ECIU has given me a wonderful platform to learn, to explore and enhance my creativity. It has helped me grow not only as a designer but also as an individual who values teamwork, consistency and innovation. I'm truly grateful for this experience and the opportunities I've received here, and I look forward to carrying forward everything I've learned in the times ahead. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Mohammad Taib, and I've been a member of editorial committee of Integral University since the past 1 year. It has been a great experience working here. Editorial committee is a platform for expression, a space where creativity meets opportunity. We bring stories, ideas and talents together in one place and showcase them through our magazine and achievements through our departmental newsletter. It has been a great journey here, making it very impactful. The skills I had developed being a part of this committee helped me grow in many ways. I have improved my designing skills and content writing skills. It has made this very impactful and the team made it very memorable. I would like to invite all the juniors and students to join us. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Fatima Khalid and I've been a member of ECIU since past 1 year. The magazine and the newsletter are very close to my heart. They are not just pages filled with words and graphics. They reflect our journey as a department, from late night meetings to early morning calls in the college. It has been an exquisite journey. I worked as a graphic designer and enhanced my skills. I vividly remember I created 165 pages of iterations, out of which one was selected. They pushed my limits and helped me grow a lot. I coordinately invite all the freshers to join and carry forward the legacy. Thank you.
Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. My name is Fizza Rizvi and I was in charge of the research and content writing for the University magazine. This journey has been a wonderful opportunity for me to learn, grow and contribute while working with such an amazing and talented team. Although I'm still upset that I couldn't be part of the inaugural, but my heart is still there and I know that my team is doing a very good job over there and I'm very proud of my entire team. The moment that we all have been waiting for is finally here. Our hard work comes in front of you and we're open to every feedback. Please share your reviews, share your feedbacks कि आपको magazine कैसी लगी, आपको newsletter कैसे लगा. On behalf of my entire team, I thank our faculty mentors first of all, Roshan ma'am, Nida ma'am, Saleha ma'am, Nazia ma'am. Thank you so much for constantly supporting us and encouraging us. I don't think without your encouragement and constant support we would have made this possible. Thank you so much for your constant support, and to every single person sitting in the inaugural, thank you so much for coming. I hope you all enjoy the inaugural. I know my team is doing a very good job over there, so I hope you all enjoy that, and I warmly invite every junior to be a part of the university magazine and to make this magazine more creative, make it shine brighter and give it a little magic touch of yours.
I am Mohammad Kashif. You won't really find me in front of the camera because I've always liked being behind it, capturing moments, quietly turning them into memories. I just wrote 2 small articles, nothing huge, but somehow even those became little pieces of me inside these pages. Maybe that's enough. Maybe that's exactly how I like it. And when our ideas felt too heavy to carry, there were always hands to guide us. Our mentors reminded us that this magazine was more than just a project. It was a bridge of ideas, a reflection of who we are. Let's listen to the voices of our mentors.
Hi everyone, I am Salia Mariam, co-convener ECIU Editorial Committee, Integral University. What you see today is the result of countless hours of dedication by our team of student and faculty member. Our magazine and newsletter are more than just pages. They are the voices of our department and the proof of what persistence can create. I invite all the student and faculty member to participate, contribute and make this magazine a true mirror of department's mirror. Let your creativity shine beyond the horizon.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Dr. Roshan Jahan, the convener of Editorial Committee of Integral University, Lucknow. Today I am feeling honored to launch the very first edition of our departmental magazine, To the Horizon. This magazine is not just a collection of articles. It's a passion, ideas and creativity of our CSE students. Alongside with this, we are also launching the 5th release of our newsletter. The newsletter is getting richer and bigger from each passing year. This year is even more special because we recently got our NB accreditation for 3 years. So we have tried to reflect the spirit and quality and growth of our department in this edition. Our editorial team has worked day and night for doing rewriting, editing and designing so that every page speaks with honesty and impact. At the end, I just want to congratulate all the editorial team members and my dear students for this launch. In the end, I just wanted to say, कुछ ख्वाब आँखों में रखो, कुछ मेहनत की राहों में रखो. कुछ ख्वाब आँखों में रखो, कुछ मेहनत की राहों में रखो. हर मंजिल खुद चल कर आएगी, तुम बस इरादों में सच्चाई रखो. Thank you so much.
And then came the moment we had all been waiting for. The sound of the printer wasn't just mechanical, it was the sound of dreams being born, pages sliding out one after another, each carrying a piece of us. When the first copy finally rested in our hands, it wasn't just paper, it was a heartbeat, bound together in colors and words. a reflection of who we are and what we believe in.
Hey guys, here is the magazine.
And in the end, it was never just a magazine. It was our story, our voice, forever bound in these pages.
And the fantasy gets closer, looking out on my rocket ship as I fly away, away. All the bad guys out of sight, got my army by my side. Faster than the speed of light, we fly away, away from a constellation where I'm a superhero, like I'm in an animation. Life is full of color.